My vlog, this is not good. I'm in a really bad spot right now, guys. Last year, I signed a lease to this repair shop in the ghetto. I took out crazy loans and invested months into the building to get this place to be my ultimate dream garage. There was so much wrong with the building that the landlord told me he'd fix from the start, but he never delivered on any single promise he's ever made to me. And after one whole year of leasing with him and paying him rent every month on time, he wanted to talk to me. After my last video, my landlord said he did not want me as his tenant anymore. He's not gonna do any more repairs. He wants no one to be here. I don't know if he's gonna rent it out afterwards. He just wants me gone, and he gave me like a 20-day notice. So I have 10 days to move everything out of this shop, and I have nowhere to put it. Every single day I walk into this shop, there's something else missing. My landlord uses the front part as his office, and this back part I rent out. And every single time for the past week I've came here, I've found more things missing. On top of this 350Z, I had a couple lids for bins, and I had a bunch of plastic gauge on them. Plastic gauge was all over the floor, bins were gone. Back here I had a bunch of oil and coolant back here, sitting right here on the floor, like 10 bottles of coolant and 2 bottles of oil. All of it's gone. And there's just little things like screwdrivers, hammers, pliers, just things going missing, paint cans, just anything little he thinks we share. And then I confront him and he says nothing about it. I'm really scared, guys. When I moved into this shop, I thought, great, I have somewhere to make videos. I'm just gonna bust out videos. I had so many projects I was so excited to make for you guys, but I had to deal with the leaking roof, no parking in the back. I had to make all this money just on the side because I thought that YouTube would kick off, but it never kicked off because I had to deal with this garbage. And so I was just struggling every month to pay for a shop that I couldn't even use to make videos. Right now we're packing all of our cars full of whatever we can. I still gotta pack this car. Where am I gonna move them? I don't know. I guess I just gotta start packing. I have no money to move out. I'm not getting my security deposit back. He told me I'm not getting anything back, even if I clean the whole place and make it as nice as possible. He said, oh, I never give anyone their security deposit back. And then I walked in my room, and the ceiling tile, they went up there, they had a bunch of step ladders, and they broke the ceiling tile. Stay in there. They put ladders up here to go work on this heater without even telling me, and knocked a bunch of stuff off of my wall right here, and then broke the ceiling tiles and still didn't tell me. It could have hurt my animal. I know this seems like I'm just complaining, but this has been a really tough time for me, and I have no one to talk to about this. So this is where it all ends. This is where the boosted barn comes to an end. With utilities, I'm paying $1,200 a month for a shop with no heat, no roof, a garage door that barely works, no outside parking, and a bunch of homeless men sleeping in my cars. Like, actually. I should totally like spray paint like cheater or liar, like the crazy ex-girlfriends like Jessica. I have this iPad mini here that I have as a prop. It's iCloud locked, so it doesn't do anything. So I'm gonna leave it out and see if I can like bait him. I'll just like leave it exactly where he took the freaking, that's not like obvious enough. This is bait. It's like I'm putting a mouse trap out. And if you're curious, the heat is kind of on. I think it's just a fan. Doesn't really do anything. And that's the temperature outside. I called a few buddies over and we spent the next 2 days just boxing everything up. I only had a few days left at the shop. The owner even threatened to change all the key locks on every door there. Good thing the garage door doesn't lock. Anyways, I have to open my 3rd line of credit and sign a lease ASAP. I felt like I was screwed. Everything was weighing down on me and I felt like I was backed into a wall with nowhere to run. Barn 2.0! Whoa! Automatic garage door opener. Look at that. So this is going to probably be Jessica's office. I don't know what she's gonna do here besides homework. Water fountain. This is a storage room slash office. Wow. This place is nice. Anything free? Anything free? Oh, this is a nice little storage area. This is probably where I will like part out cars. I love shelves. I'm so happy. I can probably even put stuff all the way up there if I really like stretch. This place is nice. I might even just make this my tool. This will be the tool area. Oh man. This is an air line. You hook up the air compressor to this and you have air along the whole shop.
What?
This is so cool. We can totally try to use the top of all of this for storage maybe.
Whoa, look at that heat, Mike. That's actually insane.
This is cool. We are so excited to be here, guys. Yeah, this is just a random storage room. Oh man, we can put a lot of stuff. No, that small one's your office. Let's see, what do we got? Anything free in here? Dude, no way. This is too cool.
Is that for the air?
Yeah, this is just an air compressor line. I can pull this anywhere.
That's actually nuts. That's actually at least $24.
Wait, is this what I think it is? Jessica, there's an extension cord one too. If only I could reach that, but there's one, you can put an extension cord wherever. This place is worth every penny.
Yeah.
I'm stealing those when I'm leaving. No, I'm joking. I cannot wait to get a step ladder and see what's on top of this, see if it's like steppable or not. And then the best part about this place is they plow it all the time, and I have all of these parking. Every single one from there to here I have. This place is amazing. Mike's Vlog. Today's the big day. I have my Mercedes here, Camaro over there. Right now I'm working on cleaning up the Caliber and the SI. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the Eclipse yet. I don't know if I'm gonna scrap it or not. That is my very first car ever. It is 10 degrees outside, no joke, guys. Well, I forgot the battery had no charge and I stalled in the middle of traffic, so I had to push it down this hill. Luckily, I'm only a couple minutes away from the shop, so gotta run back. Let's go rescue the Caliber. I spent a whole day moving all my cars to my new shop. I also had to tow a lot of them, and it was literally 8 degrees outside, so I really did not want to record any of that. Shout out to my awesome friends for the U-Haul trailer and the truck. I'll pay you back one day. As for all my stuff, instead of renting a U-Haul box truck, my buddies and I just loaded all of our cars with as much stuff as we can and took a bunch of trips back and forth. This only took like a day. Man, you can't make this up. I brought my stupid cat, so I have a cat over here, and he freaking went to the next bay over, and he can't come back. He's too stupid to realize how to come back. He went through here. You can hear him meowing. He's crying his eyes out. Ham. Dude, I have no idea where he is. Put a flashlight over here. Ham. Come on. You idiot, you stupid. Come here. No, get out of the Supra. Stay in there. All right, now I guess I have to block off this entrance and I have to look around to make sure there's no more other weird entrances to the back of the wall. I got a delivery at the front gate, so The company said that it was actually cheaper at this location than it was my old one. And of course, in waste management fashion, there's always pre-trash in there. Now I have all my stuff here. I kind of just picked everything up from the other shop and just threw it wherever I can. Nothing's really organized yet. A lot of the stuff I am selling, like all this bunny stuff, is going away. This is currently the table of parts that I'm installing on the Neon in the next week. Here I have my tool corner. I don't really know how I'm gonna organize this yet. I kind of just tossed everything in here, so it's absolutely filthy right now. Next to the tools, we have parts. This is all the parts I have for like everything I've collected over the years. This is just a bunch of trash. Everything I collected over the years, just a little memorabilia, a lot of parts for different cars. Here we have the kitten room, which is also known as the kitchen. I'm going to make this like a maker studio. I'm gonna have all my 3D printers here, Cricut machine, a bunch of cool little things. No, 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 no. I'm so stoked to have this place. I'm so excited to make videos here. It's gonna be a lot better now that I actually have heat and the roof doesn't leak and I don't have a landlord stealing all my stuff. Now, my old shop, I had like a memorabilia wall that I hung up a bunch of cool stuff on. I don't really know where I'm gonna do that here. Now, I'll probably see you guys in like a month because I gotta unpack everything, organize it all, edit a bunch of videos. I'll see you guys. Make sure you subscribe. Watch out for the YouTube shorts because I love making those TikToks.